Troy is first up with the X-Max. Here we go. Oh, she broke. She broke. First victim. Oh, oh no. Did she break?
Yeah. That ain't too bad though. Shock.
She broke.
That's all right. That's what it's there for.
Let's go. Oh, Trax is tough, baby. Oh, that's nice. Go ahead, babe. Here we go. We got Drake with the X-Max XRT build. Oh, she broke, Dre. Truck number 4. Is it Dre?
Too tight.
Oh, he broke it.
She landed. The arm snapped.
Broken arm. Oh, man.
Look at that PMW RC Menace.
Yeah! It's truck number 5. Yeah! Truck number...
Yeah, you're toasted.
I think we got truck number 5 dead. That's Jason, truck number 2. That's an arm and a...
2 arms.
2 arms.
Oh, 2 arms, he's in both? Oh, that's right. That's the whole
We got Amy in the sledge, I think.
Yeah, he was saying
Diffs are completely fried, and it's still going. Whoa! Philip with the Traxxas Max. Woohoo!
Let's see it, guys. Here we go.
Nice. Tabitha's kind of noisy.
Kids already got their Christmas presents. I just got to pay it off.
All right, guys, here we go. We got a survivor. We got a sledge survivor. This guy won right here. We got the winner. Yeah, he didn't go. She broke. Man, this is like. Whew.
That's definitely broke. No front ends off.
XRT is like having a dance. This guy lost his whole wheel. We're all broke, guys.